In a magical world called Luminara, everything glowed softly with light and wonder. High above Luminara lived many stars. One of them, Lumi, was very small and shy. Lumi wanted to shine like the others, but thought, "I'm too small to be noticed." One night, Lumi noticed a narrow forest path that wasn't glowing like the rest of Luminara. Lumi wondered, what if my light isn't enough? The moon whispered, even the smallest light can show the way. Taking a deep breath, Lumi shone just a little brighter. The path lit up, softly, but enough. The forest felt warm and safe. Each night, Lumi took small steps and grew brighter with confidence. Lumi realized the light had always been there. Now, Lumi shines to remind everyone, you are enough, just as you are.